All right, so we got a big one today. Hey, what's up, guys? Soldier Knows Best here. So this is the brand new Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. This is the top of the line S20 this year. A lot of good specs, crazy, big, fast phone. So I'm not gonna waste any time. Let's get straight to the unboxing to see what comes with this phone. All right, so let's see what we got inside of the box. So the first thing is going to be the 25-watt fast charger, and this comes with every single Galaxy S20, but the S20 Ultra does support 45-watt fast charging, but you have to buy that adapter separately. And the next thing is going to be the, AKG headphones. So these are some wired headphones. Looks like they do have some extra ear tips for you. And it also has some inline controls there so you can control your volume and your playback. So yeah, you get those. We expected that. And then also looks like the last thing inside of here is going to be a USB-C, the USB-C cable. Okay, so let's stop messing around and get to the big dog in the room. This is the S20 Ultra. And let me take off this plastic cover there, and then boom, I think, yeah, the screen does have a screen protector, but I'm not taking that off, so I'm gonna leave that on. Okay, so you can see that this is a big phone. It's gonna take up some space in your hand, but it's really not that heavy, and it's also not that wide, which is good. So it is going to be a taller phone. If you haven't used a phone like this recently, it will be a little bit jarring for you. But for me, I have been using a lot of big phones, so there's nothing too kind of out there for me, but we'll see as I continue to use this phone. And then also too, we'll find at the bottom, you will find a USB-C port, and then also you'll find one of the two speakers. And then on the right-hand side, you will find the volume controls and also the power button. On the left-hand side, you have nothing. And at the top, you will find the SIM card slot. And of course, we do not have a headphone jack. Yeah, surprise, right? And the color that they sent me is cosmic gray, but this also comes in cosmic black. But I'm actually liking this gray color. And now I'm just setting up the phone, and I'm not gonna force you to watch all of that boring stuff, but I am just setting up the facial recognition and also the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that's underneath the display that is also on this phone. Okay, so I got everything set up here now. So it looks like they sent me the 128 gigabyte, 12 gigabyte version of the S20 Ultra. And I'm just gonna throw out some of the specs here real quick for you. So the big highlights are going to be the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. And I already talked about the RAM and the storage, and also all versions of the S20 come with 5G. And you also have a micro SD card slot at the top. I didn't mention that before. And then also too, the display itself is a 6.9 inch display that just looks absolutely fantastic. Now the screen does have a refresh rate of 120 Hertz, but it doesn't look like it actually has it on right now. So let me go into the settings, display, and okay, yeah, we see that motion smoothness needs to be changed to high refresh rate, and hit apply. And then there we go. There we go. All right, so this is something that you're really not going to be able to see secondhand. If you're in person, you can really see the smoothness that it adds. So we'll see how this works, and we'll see how this drains battery life over time. But yeah, I'm liking it. I think every display should at least have 90 Hertz, so it's good that this one has 120. And so the next big thing is going to be something that you are probably looking at right now, and that is the camera module on the back. So you have multiple cameras, ultra wide, wide, telephoto, and then you also have a space zoom camera that can get you close up to 100x. And then on the front, we do have a 40 megapixel selfie camera, which has a lot of megapixels to work with, so hopefully we can get some good results with that too. And so right here, I'm holding up the latest two devices from Samsung, the S20 Ultra and also the Galaxy Z Flip. And these are two really different phones. One has last year's specs really, but a cool flip phone design. And then the other is just a beast of a phone with a lot of specs inside of it, a lot of horsepower and a big screen, a lot of great things you can do with it. And so I will be doing my separate reviews of both of these devices, but it's gonna be interesting to see at the end of my review period, which one I actually wanna use mostly as my daily driver. It's gonna be pretty interesting because I typically like to use the phone that has the most updated specs, but I really like this form factor, so we will see. But anyway, this has been my unboxing of the new Galaxy S20 Ultra. What do you think about this beast of a phone? If you want to pick it up, you can pre-order it right now, and it will be starting at around $1,400. So yeah, it's a high price point, but you are getting a lot of good specs, but we'll see if these specs definitely hold up to the price and whether or not you should actually buy it. So stay tuned for my review and multiple videos that I have coming on this device and also the Z Flip. clip by subscribing to this channel. And like always, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.